Hey guys, Jordan here with Coldlytics, and today I'm going to show you how to find the best motel leads using Coldlytics. So let's get started. So first I'm going to select small business, and I am going to Orlando, which has a huge tourist industry. I'm just going to add that. 20 is big enough. Yeah, huge tourist industry, so motels are going to be very big. As you can see, we're getting some motels here, so I'm going to add them. Gonna hit next, and then we are targeting owners and founders and then directors and executives. We are targeting one owner, but in case the owner has a C-suite title, it will account for that case as well. Hit next to lock that in. For our filters, the first thing we're gonna do is review score. We want anywhere between a 3 and a 5. That just means that customers enjoy staying there, and they probably keep it clean. They probably have a good business sense. All these things give a review score between 3 and a 5. And the benefit of this review score to you is that they're just going to be easier companies to work with comparatively to people who are outside of this range. So I'm just going to hit next to lock that in. Next, we are going to do franchise or national chain. We don't want any big hotel or motel chains. We only want sort of like local in the area motels. So I'm going to exclude franchises and national chains. And finally, I am also going to we are going to apply one more filter. We want our advertisement pixels. So basically, if they advertise on Facebook, or if there's a Facebook ad pixel on their website, or a Google one, or a LinkedIn one, and we're using or because if we use and, then if there's a Facebook and a Google one but not a LinkedIn one, that company will be filtered out, which we don't want. We just want, if there's a single ad pixel of any of these companies, add it to the list. And the reason why we're applying this filter and the benefit to you is that we're coming at this as if we are digital marketers, or if I'm a digital marketer looking for leads. And if these companies have an ad pixel on their website, like, they're guaranteed to want to work with me. And in a market where there's so many hotels in Orlando, I just feel like this is the bare minimum, and you can get away with applying this filter and still getting a ton of leads. So next to lock that in, finally, we're going to go down to our deliver step. I am going to reset all of these. We really want the Google review count, scored, GMB profile, GMB claimed. GMB claimed is like a crazy one, because if their business isn't claimed on Google but they have an ad pixel, that is such an easy problem for you to solve. And that's exactly how you should pitch the sale. Like, hey, you don't have an ad pixel. Oh my god, what the? Moving on, we're gonna ignore direct dial as we get direct email. We're going to add their social media profiles. We want revenue, headcount, and data established. Great metrics for determining how, like, the longevity that a company is gonna be a client with you. Also, great way to take your 100 good contacts down to 20 great contacts. We want to see what ad pixels we're using, based on our filter. And we definitely want these technology filters like Google Analytics, WordPress, that just help like match you up with better clients. So you have WordPress skills, they have a WordPress website, handshake emoji. And finally, we want the search or like the SEO metrics. They're very insightful as well. So gonna hit next, lock that in, finish that up. We have motels in Orlando. We want, or make sure to give it a title, motels in Orlando. Make sure to set your contacts required. Make sure to save a draft just in case you want to, or just in case you launch it and need to go back and cancel it and need to go back to change something. You're not starting from scratch. With that being said, I am going to launch it. As you can see, it's allocating, which means our team has it, so it'll be ready in about 24 hours. And I'm just going to and yeah, thank you guys so much. That's how you find the best motel leads using Coldlytics. Thank you so much. I'll see you in the next one.